Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are making this gorgeous fried rice. So I have my cooked rice already, and I also have some carrots, green bell pepper, garlic, onions, spring onions, stock cube, salt, some mixed spice, chili pepper and curry powder. So in this saucepan I'll add some little oil and I'll add my chopped onions into it. I will let the onions fry for a minute, then I'll add my carrots into it. I'm adding my garlic too after a minute. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my video. So this is my green bell pepper that I have just added, but I'll reserve my spring onions, which will be added at the end of everything. So now I'm adding my spices, some salt, chili pepper and stock cube, and I'll stir it for everything to get combined. I also have my dark soy sauce here, which I'm just adding into the veggies, and I'll make sure that every part of the veggies gets the dark soy sauce. After a minute, I'll then add my cooked rice. Please watch till the end of the video because I'll be sharing with you how I boiled or how I cooked my rice. I'll add the rice gradually, and as I'm adding, I'll be stirring till every part of it gets the color of the dark soy sauce. With the rice, I used 2.5 cups of rice, and I added 3 cups of water, which is combined with the stock. So I have 2 cups of water and 1 cup of beef stock. You may also decide to use chicken stock or any other stock that you have. Now, after adding the rice, I'll then add my spring onions and just stir everything together. You can see this looks so beautiful, and the taste too is so great. Because I was using stock, I had to be careful with the amount of salt that I was adding because the stock has some salt in it. So whenever you are using stock for any meal, you have to be careful with the amount of salt you add. When making fried rice, you need not to add plenty water in cooking the rice. With the amount of water I mentioned, you just cover your rice with an aluminium foil so that the vapor will cook the rice for you perfectly. That is why my fried rice is not sticking to each other and it's very nice. So I'm done after 5 minutes of continuously stirring, and it is time for me to serve this fried rice to my family. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time and bye.